So the next trick we're going to learn is called fountain. Based off of the punching bag trick that we just learned. Make sure you learn punching bags. Fountain looks like this. Fountain's actually a punching bag raised up from hop the fence and then raised up into a vertical loop. So make sure you learn all those moves. Hop the fence, punching bag, vertical loop, and this is when you throw it all together. You do 3 in each direction. So you do 1, 2, 3. Then you raise it up, 1, 2, 3. Then you raise it up to the top, 1, 2, 3. And that's called fountain because it's raising up as you throw it. One more time, just to give you an idea what it looks like when you do it fast. With enough practice, you'll be able to raise and lower it like that. So, the trick to it. When you're doing it, you want to shoot your hand kind of up and over. You need to give it that raised motion to bring the yo-yo up into the air each time you do it. You'll notice as I'm doing this, my hand's making this back and forth motion pretty fast. That's what's helping propel the yo-yo out there. And as I bring it up, you'll notice that motion kind of is moving upwards rather than back and forth. As you move your hand, it starts coming down, back and forth, and then as it comes up, you notice it's going up more. With a little practice, eventually this will become more of a finger motion. When you first start, you're probably going to move in your hand a lot. Try and isolate it to your wrist as much as you can. It's going to help you get the snap that you really need to do this. With enough practice, you'll be able to do this trick, raise it up, and you'll be almost set to learn some two-handed yo-yoing tricks.